Our tiny robot works well on smooth floors, but since not all of the floors it'll be operating on will be smooth, we can make things better by adding some tiny wheels to it. Find these 5 Lego pieces. The yellow axle is the same length as the distance between the legs at the end of the robot. Put them together so that they look like this. And the final result with the robot will look like this. Now let's see how we put these together. And it ends up looking like this. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you have fun with your robot.